Where are you going to?
Who are you to ask me such a stupid question?
You are not allowed into this kingdom. So go back to where you came from.
This is the kingdom of my forefathers. You cannot ask me out of the kingdom. Years ago, we were banished from this kingdom. But we are back to dwell. We are back to take what rightfully belongs to us. I am Mma, and whatever I want, I get.
And what is that, if I may ask? You do not belong to this kingdom. I will not allow you pollute this kingdom with your bad omen. Go back to where you came from.
Watch me.
What is wrong? You look worried.
I sense trouble.
What trouble?
The kingdom is on the verge of something. Something I do not know. A powerful and unknown force has entered our land.
What are you talking about? What force do you mean? What kind of force?
It's something bigger. A force that we've never experienced. Yadiba, I had a terrible dream. In that dream, I saw a strange maiden at the entrance of our land. I felt it. It looked so real. So real.
Adora, I think it's nothing. Maybe it's nothing. And the gods will always see us through any challenge. Let us not dwell on that.
Yadiba.
Yes.
It's a force. I can feel it. I fear for my people. I fear for our land. It's something bigger. It's only Ajani that can save us. I can feel it.
Adora, what happened in the dream?
We have arrived in a kingdom. A land flourishing with life and promise. We have arrived at our destination. Very soon, the people of any kingdom will come to pay homage to the force that drives us. They must bow to the great force that drives us.
They say the truth does not wrong in the day for nothing. The gods are wise. A land filled with peace, love and progress. A land where everyone lives in happiness. Here comes the bad war, the darkness, the servants of the dark.
Oh no!
Of the earth. Adora, to what do I owe this early morning visit?
Oh no! I came bearing consign. A vision troubles my spirit. The meaning is yet unclear. I fear for our land.
Daughter of the earth, I really need you to calm down. What is this vision that troubles your heart?
Oh no! Calamity looms over our kingdom. Something dark has entered our kingdom, threatening the peace and the prosperity we have long enjoyed. Oh no. We have to be vigilant. We have to be very, very vigilant to be able to send this force back to its source.
With all due respect, daughter of the earth, I disagree with you. And a kingdom is that kingdom blessed massively by the goddess of the earth. This kingdom is the only kingdom where fertility and peace reign supreme.
Our people have neglected their deity, which has brought imbalance to our land. But I will make sure to uncover this dark force that has entered our kingdom. Oh no, you have to do me a favor.
What favor?
Pay attention. Be vigilant if you notice any stranger in our land. I will take my leave.
A land filled with peace, love and progress.
Why is it appearing that actually she has a revelation? Who is this stranger that she speaks of? What exactly are we going to do to ward this stranger off?
She comes with lips coated with honey, but when you turn away, here comes the venom.
will be our sanctuary for now. This will be our home in any kingdom. Great Mother Deity, come and dwell among us. Come and dwell among us. Come! Come and dwell among
us. Welcome, Great Mother. May this humble abode be a vessel to your power.
We reverence you, Great Mother Deity. Come and dwell among us. Come, the Great Mother Deity. Come, Nenewa. Come, come. We reverence you. Come, Mother Deity.
Lotana, the greatest palm wine tapper in our land.
Thank you.
You know, your palm wine is the best in the land.
Thank you. Thank you.
And you are a very skilled tapper.
Thank you. Thank you, my friend. You know, I have been tapping for years. It is a tradition passed down by my ancestors. I intend to keep it. Thank you.
Your dedication shows. You know, you can bring some to the youth's meeting. We are expecting a huge turnout today. And your palm wine will be a huge addition.
I will be glad to. You know, palm wine keeps people together.
You're right.
I will be there.
No problem. We'll be expecting you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Greetings, beautiful maiden. You look new here, aren't you?
Perhaps.
What brings this beautiful maiden to our kingdom?
You'll find out very soon.
There is something about this maiden that is quite different from all the maidens I've met. She's beautiful.
Greetings, Elder.
Greetings to you. Who are you and what are you doing in my compound?
My name is Mma. I come from a faraway kingdom. I am a daughter of the gods, sent to this kingdom for a purpose.
Daughter of the gods. This is very strange. Because you come with a presence that depicts mystery. Tell me, what exactly is it that the gods want to tell us through you?
I come in peace. I bring good tidings. I also came to pay my respect to you as the chief advisor to the king and the kingdom.
Brilliant. Where we receive our visitors with open hands. That is as long as they do not have any hidden intention. Just like the saying goes, the one who has folded his or her arms cannot possibly steal food. If you know what that means.
I bear no malice. Instead, my presence to this kingdom will bring fortune.
In that case, you are welcome.
Thank you, my elder.
It's unfortunate you came when I rounded off my lunch. But if you don't mind, please, you may just be seated. And I am going to arrange for you something you can eat.
You do not have to worry yourself, my elder. Your hospitality is indeed acknowledged. I beg to take my leave now.
Daughter of the gods. What does that mean? Oh, son, you are back.
Yes, Father.
What took you so long? I've been waiting for you.
Father, I went to Maziokuru's hut to deliver palm wine.
You work so hard. You work so hard, just as hard as your father. And I am so proud of you.
Thank you.
From what I hear, all over this kingdom, you are indeed the best palm wine tapper we have in this land as we speak.
Thank you.
You have indeed made me proud.
Thank you, Father. Thank you. I appreciate your kind words, Father.
Welcome.
Thank you, Father. Father, while I was on my way to deliver the palm wine at Mazikuru's hut, I came across a beautiful maiden, very beautiful. And from all indications, Father, she's new. I do not know if you are aware of her presence in our kingdom.
Are you talking about Mma?
Is that her name, Father? Father, this maiden is breathtakingly beautiful. She's very beautiful. Her skin is as bright as the morning sun, Father.
The truth of the matter is that she was here moments ago.
She was here?
Yes. She just left as you were coming in. And I told her that this is an kingdom, that she is welcome, because this is a land that is reputed for welcoming our visitors with open hands.
Yes.
She actually left very excited.
Yes, Father, you are correct. But Father, I must say that this maiden is very beautiful, Father. She's indeed very beautiful.
Well, I may not know exactly why you are saying that, but as your father, I want to ask you to be very careful. Because from what I saw, that maiden represents something we don't know yet. Do you understand me?
Yes, Father. Yes, Father, I do. I will be careful, Father.
Good. Be very careful. Do not allow the things you see on the physical to be the things that are deciding how you feel right on the inside of you. You understand it?
Yes, Father.
Good.
All right, Father, let me quickly rush to the palace and deliver the palm wine.
Please go ahead. Because when you have the kind of palm wine you tap, you should be serving the kings. I am very proud of you.
Father, I'll see you when I come back.
I don't want to fall.
Don't fall that. Woo! No. Adora. Adora. Who is she?
I do not know who she is or why she's in this kingdom. But my instinct tells me that woman doesn't have good intention for our kingdom.
Why are you looking at her like that?
Yadiba,
Yes.
I have seen that woman in my dreams. Where are you going to?
Who are you to ask me such a stupid question?
You are not allowed into this kingdom. So go back to where you came from.
This is the kingdom of my forefathers. You cannot ask me out of the kingdom. Years ago, we were banished from this kingdom. But we are back to dwell.
What do you mean?
Do you remember the dream I told you of? The woman I saw in my dream. She's the one. But why? Why is she in our kingdom? And what is her motive? Something has to be done.
Adora, what do you suggest we do now? She just walked past us.
She must leave this kingdom. She must be chased out. The life of our people are in danger.
What do we do now?
I know what to do. I'll be right back.
Where are you going to? Adora!
For nothing, the gods are wise. A land filled with peace, love and progress. A land where everyone lives in happiness. Here comes the battle war.
Thank the gods you're here.
Adora, what is it? Why are you running? What is the problem?
Onowu, I have just seen the woman that is behind the dark energy I have been sensing. Her name is Mma.
Oh, Ma. She was actually here moments ago, and I welcomed her in line with the spirit of our kingdom. I told her, and you will agree with me that I am right, that we receive strangers with open hands.
Onowu, no. That woman possesses dark forces. Her spirit is not pure. She has unclean spirit. Her aim in our land is not clear. She has dark forces, and we must send her out of this our community.
Daughter of the soil, why are you saying things that we cannot present before people that are getting to know us for the very first time? We are a sacred people. There is no way we can show that level of hostility to a stranger who is coming into our land for just no cause. Please.
Do not say I did not warn you. That maiden spirit is not clean. I did not mention the dream I had. She was in my dream. She's the maiden I saw with dark forces. Her spirit is not clean. We will not let her stay in our kingdom. She's a threat to our life and our people.
Listen to me, daughter of the soil. We cannot do something that is going to set us against the ancestors of this land. We cannot send a stranger away for just no reason. Please.
Oh no. Okay, Ada no. Ewu, I'm on.
Where is this coming from?
Do not say I did not warn you. Wherever that maiden came from, she should be sent back. She's a threat to our community and our lives are in danger. I take my leave.
Great Mother Deity, great Serpent Deity, accept my devotion to you. Kindly accept my devotion to you. I, your servant Mma, will unleash calamity upon the people of any kingdom. I will cause them pain. I will cause them unbearable pain. And they shall become vulnerable. When they become vulnerable, they will have no choice than to bow and worship the great serpent deity. Please accept this little sacrifice from your daughter. I remain the great humble servant of the great serpent deity. Accept her soul.
Who is here? Is there anybody at home?
To what do I owe this visit, Onowu?
Mma, I have come to deliver an important message to you. I would have sent any of my boys to deliver this message, but because of the seriousness of the matter, I have come myself to deliver it. The last time you came to my house, I told you that you are welcome. I have already realized that was a mistake, welcoming you into our land, and I have come to correct that mistake.
What makes you think that welcoming me was a mistake?
You are not just beautiful. I have come to understand you are the very personification of evil. You are calamity that is waiting to explode. And as the Onowu of an kingdom, I am not going to allow you explode in my kingdom. That is why I have come to ask you, in your overall interest, to pack whatever you consider yours that you have in this land and leave. It is not funny.
Just yesterday, you welcomed me with an open arm. Why the sudden change?
And I am telling you here and now that that arm that we opened yesterday, they are closed again. Because like I said, you are evil. And we are not going to allow you stay here. In our kingdom, we are known as a people, very peaceful. A people who receive visitors with open arms. But you have become a different kind of visitor. We do not need you in our land. And as you know, I am ordering you to leave our land.
Leave this compound now.
What did I just hear you say? And what is this smell that is coming from the back of your hut?
Leave this compound! Leave!
You do not have what it takes to be raising your voice against me. I am the Onowu of this land. I am the one who should be giving orders. And I'm asking you, what smell is that is coming from the back of your hut?
They say the truth does not run in the day for nothing. The gods are
No, what have you set up at?
And what does it look like?
What is happening here? What did you do to her?
What does it look like?
You just killed a maiden of my land as a sacrifice? Ah! Now I understand exactly what Adora was saying, that indeed you are a disaster that is waiting to explode in this land.
Oh, Adora. Adora is the name of the maiden that asked you to throw me out of my father's land.
Listen to me, you are a stranger in this land. And you are not supposed to be allowed to have stayed here in the first place.
I have equal rights with you, Noble. My great-great-mother was a queen before she was banished from this kingdom alongside the serpent deity. Now we are back to reclaim what is rightfully ours.
What are you saying? Story was told about an evil queen who rose in this kingdom and was accumulating powers. The woman became so evil that she was actually killing people to offer to the serpent deity that she fabricated. By any means, are you confirming to me that you are a successor from her?
Yes, I am a descendant of hers. I am here to take what rightfully belongs to us.
You are a liar. There is no way you will be allowed to be established in this kingdom. My great-grandfathers, they were the ones who pursued that woman and banished her from this land because she represented evil. And I am the Onowu of this land today, and I will be the one who will send you away from here.
You dare not, Onowu. Do you know the powers that the great serpent deity possess? Do you think that you can fight the great serpent deity? Onowu!
I am going to discuss with the king immediately. And we are going to gather the young men of this land. Before the sun will set today, you will not be anywhere near this kingdom. I bet you on that.
They say the truth is not wrong in the day for nothing. The gods are wise. A land filled with peace, love and progress. A land where everyone lives in happiness.
Who am I?
The servants of the dark.
This is not the road that leads to my house. This is actually the road that leads to the palace. What am I doing here? I do not have any appointment with the king until tomorrow. Is it age that is telling on me? Why am I not remembering anything at all? Let me just go back to my house before people will see me.
They say the truth does not run in the day for nothing. The gods are wise. A land filled with peace, love and progress. A land where everyone lives in happiness. Here comes the bad one, the darkness, the servants of the dark. Anyama no na mili, nchaba anyanya o. Anya gekwezi o. Anyama no na mili, nchaba anyanya o. She comes with lips coated with honey.
Father, it's everything all right? You look bothered.
I am indeed bothered. I went to Mma's compound to confront her over certain things I am not comfortable with. The next thing is that I am back here. After I confronted her, I decided that I should go to the king and register a serious complaint. As I am talking to you now, I cannot even remember what happened in that compound.
Father, this is strange. Father, don't you think you are overworking yourself lately because of what Adora said? Father, there is no need to disturb yourself. I mean, there is nothing about a man that screams danger. You need to...
Well, it is possible that you are not seeing it. I am the Onowu, and I am seeing something. I do not want you to go near that maiden again until I am able to unmask exactly what she represents. Am I clear on this?
Yes, Father.
Good.
Father, I have to go now. I have to deliver palm wine.
It's all right. What exactly transpired in that compound? Is there something going on in this land that I am not aware of? Who exactly are you? What happened to my memory? Why am I not able to remember anything?
Auntie, what happened? What's wrong?
I went to the stream, and the stream has turned into mud.
Mud? That can't be. Let me go and see for myself.
Yes, go and see for yourself, since you don't believe me. Hey, this is strange. How can the stream turn into mud? Or are the ghosts angry with us?
My fear are manifesting. The evil deeds of our people has become too much. And the gods are angry with us. Unholy presence resides in Annie, tampering with the order of the day. Something must be done. Our people must go back to their deity.
Adora, what is wrong? I have never seen you like this. What is troubling you?
Calamity has befallen our kingdom. The stream have turned to mud. There is no more fertility in our land. The livestock are no more there. Something must be done. Something has to be done.
That is why I'm here, Adora. Something is wrong. Yesterday I went to my farm to harvest tubers of yam. They were all rotten. I couldn't even get up to 4 tubers of yam in my farm. If we continue like this, there will be a big problem. How will the people feed? Are we going to die of hunger?
Yadiba, the gods are angry. Our people are strayed from their gods. They have turned their back on their chain. They have allowed immorality to be the order of the day. This is a punishment from Ani, the goddess of fertility and the earth, for the people's moral decay and neglect of their own deity.
What must we do, Adora?
The kingdom. The kingdom must undergo cleansing, spiritual cleansing, and the community will be purified. The people will seek forgiveness from their gods and go back to Ani, their deity. They must go back to their tradition.
Latanya.
Oliver, what brings you here? Why are you waiting?
I was waiting for you. I hoped we could talk.
Waiting for me. Is everything okay? What is the problem?
No, there's no problem. It's just that I wanted to see you.
You wanted to see me. Why do you want to see me?
It's Anna. I like you. I like you so much.
Oliver. I like your braveness, Oliver. But I have to be very sincere with you. I like someone else.
Lutana,
Please, Olivia, please. Stay away from me. It is for your own good.
Lutana, I love you. I love you so much, and I can't stay away from you.
Ma! Ma! Where is she? Ma! Where is she? Ma! Lutana is here. I brought you the finest palm wine, brewed with love, especially for you. Ma! Where could she be? How? Ma! Where could she have gone to?
What are you doing here?
The most beautiful maiden in any kingdom. I brought you the best palm wine. The best you have ever tasted and you will taste. Especially for you, for me to you.
Did I ask you for any palm wine?
No, Ma, you do not have to ask for palm wine. Lutana here knows what is best for you. Because you're special. And you deserve it.
I do not want to see you in this compound again. You can only come here on invitations. I have warned you before. The third time, you will not live to say what you saw. Drop the palm wine and leave. Leave!
That's your answer. You have to be smart to win this battle. Lieutenant Maz's son. I know he likes you.
I do not understand, Mother.
You must use him if you must get what you want. Then you need Lieutenant.
Yes, Mother.
You have to do what you do best. Mazi is our answer to bearing root in the kingdom. As what he says, the Igwe sees it as right thing to do.
Yes, Mother. Please. I'm sorry the way I treated you. Can we please go back so I do better?
How do you mean?
You want to be friends, right? Come with me.
Okay.
Your Majesty, if we must have to tell ourselves the truth, we have abandoned the ways of our fathers. We have abandoned the deities of this land. The sacrifices that we are supposed to be offering to them, we have not been offering those sacrifices, and that is why we are facing all these problems. I am saying that the time has come for us to do the right thing. And the right thing is we have to invite them more to tell us the things we are going to do, and we must do them. Before all these problems came up, Adora had told me about a revelation she had about a strange maiden who came into this land, and that her coming into this land started to generate a lot of problems. From what I am seeing, all these things is connected to that maiden because she's here.
Who is this strange maiden you're talking about?
Her name is Mma. Mma is her name.
And how come I'm just hearing about her now?
Your Majesty, I decided not to disturb you over something I know that I can handle. I decided that I should not bring that information to you. I met her, and I gave her an order that she has to leave this land. In fact, I instructed her to leave immediately. But as I'm talking to you, Your Majesty, that maiden is still in this land, despite all my warnings.
What? She's still in this land?
I am telling you, Your Majesty, she is still in this land, despite all my warnings.
I will talk to Adara myself about this. Where is she staying now?
She has taken over the abandoned hut that belongs to the late widow of Akajugo.
God! Yes, Your Majesty. Come here. Go to late Akajugo's compound. Bring that maiden Columma here now.
Yes, Your Majesty.
What a rubbish.
Your Majesty, if you fail to do what you have to do as the king, the problem may rise and consume all of us.
I want you to know that I have no evil intentions towards the people of Ani. My intentions for them are for good. But I do not know why they hate me so much. It seems to be you're the only one on my side.
You can always count on me, Ma. I will always be here for you. Always. You know, I have told my father that you're a good person. And not just a good person. You're a beautiful maiden with a good heart. My father will only believe Adora, only Adora, over any other person in this kingdom.
Adora.
Is there a problem?
Adora. I will still get to her. But for now, let me celebrate you.
Igwe demands your presence in the palace.
What for? What for?
Lotanna, calm down. I believe his invitation is harmless.
Then I'll have to come with you.
The Igwe demands her presence alone.
Then you go back and tell the Igwe that she's not going anywhere if I'm not coming with her.
It's okay. Come with me.
All right. Ma, wait for me, I'm coming.
Highness, you're here.
Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings, Onowu. You sent for me.
Yes, I did. You've come to my notice that you entered my kingdom. And the honor who asks you to leave, and you refuse to leave. I want to know the meaning. What is the reason for that stubbornness?
With all due respect, Your Majesty, I have done nothing wrong to be sent out of this kingdom. Instead, I bring positivity to this kingdom.
Your Majesty, Mahia is correct. Please. She has done nothing
Young
wrong.
man, keep quiet. Allow the young woman to speak for herself. Oh no, is it not your son? What is he doing with the young woman?
Your Majesty, I am just as surprised as you are. I don't understand what he's doing here.
My name is Mma. I am a priestess of the gods. I am here to do their bidding, only if you permit me to do so. I come in peace, Your Majesty. And I know that you are aware that any stranger that enters any kingdom should not be asked out. I have found shelter here. Please do not chase me out of this kingdom.
Oh no, I think she's right. I don't think she have done anything wrong. All we have is speculations. Or have you seen her?
Your Majesty, honestly, I do not know where this opportunity is coming from. Because as the Onowu of this land, I am confirming to you that this young woman standing here is evil. There is something evil about her. I have encountered that evil before. Somewhere in this land. The only problem is that I am not able to remember exactly where. But as of the evil, it is resident there.
Father, I do not want to say before the king that you're lying. Father, Maya has done nothing. She has done nothing. Even the way it's saying it that Maya is peaceful. You just want to believe Adora over everyone else.
Shut up. No, who are you to be speaking when we are speaking? Now, who even made the part of this meeting?
It's all right, oh no. We can all go home now. I will only give you the benefit of doubt that you don't do anything evil in this kingdom. Before you do anything, you must get clearance from the Onowu. Then he will get back to me. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty.
I'm already giving you signal of evil. Can you start talking? I mean, what was that? What were you doing in the palace with her? What was that?
Father, Maya is my friend, Father. Father, Maya is my friend. Moreover, I was with her when the guards arrived.
Doing what? The same person I told you not, you should not have anything to do with her. Why will you be with her when the guards came? What is wrong with you? That maiden, she reeks of evil. I see it clearly. Why are you not listening to me? Listen, there is no way I'm going to allow her to corrupt my only son. If she is looking for somebody to use, she cannot use my child. It cannot happen under my watch.
What makes you think I was here to that, Father?
Because I'm your father. And you're not going to disobey me. You have to obey exactly what I am asking you to do. Do not provoke me, Lieutenant. If you fail to listen to this very order, Lieutenant, you will have a reason to regret that I am your father. This is going to be the last time I'm going to warn you over this. Stop going to Mwa. You don't have any business with her. Am I understood? Come back. Wait, what are you doing? Come back here, Lieutenant. Lieutenant, you cannot walk out of me, your father. Come back here. What is wrong with this boy? Why is he disobeying me? What a man sees seated, a child will not manage to see that. Even if he climbs the tallest Iroko tree. Disobedience. Disobedience. The one who will never listen to advice will always end up with an experience. And most times, if not all the times, the experience is always the bitter one. Very bitter experience.
I'll enjoy you. Is that wrong? Oh, your tongue is getting too Lotana. This one you just passed us. You're so engrossed with where you're going to that you didn't even notice us.
I'm sorry about that. I am headed somewhere.
Jirini and Wayo. Lota Bia. I wasn't also Jirini. Lota, yes. Before I forget, I was told you're very, very close to that maiden that came into our kingdom newly.
Yes.
Lutana, you know you're more like a brother to me. I will not lie to you. Please, that maiden is not of any good. I will advise you to please stay away from her.
Oh, look, I do not want to say shut up. Who do you think you are to advise me? Do you think I am my father? Do you know whom you have deceived with all your lies? Listen, Mma is my friend. Huh? Mma is my friend. You hear me? Let it sink. Mma is my friend. There is nothing you, my father, the council of elders, or the Igwe can do about it. She must be my friend.
No, Luther, you are wrong. I rebuke every spirit speaking inside of you. Yes. That spirit of Mma, I rebuke it. What are you saying? I know exactly what I'm saying. That girl is not of any good to you. She will only destroy you. She's only for destruction. I'm only looking out for you because I take you as a brother.
Do not look out for me, Adora. Look out for this puppet. This puppet that follows you about. And for your information, nothing evil will happen to me.
Yeah, come, let me tell you something.
What is it?
Why are you acting up as if you don't know Adora? Huh? If Adora tells you somebody is bad, that means that person is a bad person. You and I know Adora. And we know that the gods have blessed her with all these gifts. If she tells you somebody is bad, that person is bad.
And who brought you into this conversation? Huh? Who brought you into this conversation, you idiot? Okay, now I see why you have been fooling about like a new servant. Well, there's no point talking to you. Because you and I know that you are not a man. You're only a woman in a man's body.
Lodana, come!
Don't touch me.
Don't talk to me like that again.
Don't ever talk to me like that again!
Just listen to me. Because we are looking out for you does not mean you should insult us. You think we don't know that you are Mma's puppet? You are one of Mma's puppets. She's using you to achieve her evil plans. She knows you are easy to get. You are easy toy to use. Look at you. She does not love you. Mma does not love you. And you are too foolish. You can't even see it.
Say that about me again.
Lieutenant, you are foolish. You can't say that about me again.
Lieutenant,
Say that about me again.
what are you
Lieutenant.
doing? What are you doing?
Let me beat this idiot.
You want to fight your own brother?
I will
because
beat him.
of
I
a
will not fight
strange
him.
woman?
Yeah, come and fight.
What are you saying?
Come and fight.
Lieutenant, don't.
Next time you talk to me again like that,
you will do nothing.
Huh?
You will do nothing. Leave her. You will do nothing. Come and fight. Come.
open your mouth and talk. Not now.
You look angry, Lutana.
Golibe, I do not need your care. I do not need your concern. I am not interested. Is it by force?
But Lutana, you look like you were in a fight. Did something happen?
I said, get out of my way. I do not need your care. I do not need your concern.
Lutana! I will continue to love you. You can shout on me, you can do anything to me, but I will continue to love you. My love for you will never die. I love you, Lutana!
Yadiba, what were you thinking? I thought you should be wise enough to avoid Lutana.
Didn't you see him punch me? Or did you not hear him call me a woman?
I heard him. I did. I heard him. But you know Lutana is not using his right senses. Lutana bonye riri. Mma has eaten him. She casted a spell on him. Can't you see it? Inwero anyime more for you to see. You that is a wise one, that is supposed to know that Lutana is not using his right senses, is now the one behaving like Onyerideri.
Adora, do not say that to me. I won't stand here and take those insults folding my hands. I don't blame him. I blame you that is looking out for that idiot. I don't blame him. He's lucky he has a father like Onowu that has done all the work. He thinks life is easy. I pray Mma deals with him. By then, he will learn his lesson. He will learn.
Chiawa, do not say such a thing. Don't use your mouth to curse another whom the gods has not cursed. Listen, Yadiba. I know Lutana is not using his right senses. Mma casted a spell on him. Can't you say it? Enwere anyị ime mmụọ. Onida fozo. Yadiba. Do not do such a thing or any harm on him. Yadiba. Afọ wazina.
Lutana, what is it? You look like you had a fight. Ogindi.
That fool that calls himself Yadiba. That idiot. He said you're using me. You're only pretending to care about me.
Do not mind him, Inugo. He's only jealous I chose you instead of him. Come, there's something I need you to do for me. Sit.
What is it?
My mother is hungry. And no sacrifice has been made.
Hmm? What do you mean? Who is your mother?
My mother is the serpent deity.
What? The serpent deity? The deity my father told me about? I mean, the story was told to every child in this kingdom while growing up. We all dreaded the deity. I mean, is it the same deity that takes humans as sacrifice?
Yes. I am a descendant of that queen. And I have come back to where I should have been born. No sacrifice has been made to her. Look, Lutana, this is where you come in. I want you to hunt. I want you to hunt its praise. That way the people of Ane Kingdom won't even suspect you.
Never! Ma, I said never, I will never do it. I mean, is it humans you call prey? People of this kingdom?
Look, as long as you get these sacrifices, and my mother is reverenced, she will stop to be angry. She's only angry because she was chased out, despite the agreement she had with the queen. But if your father agrees and allow us to stay here, they will come to another covenant. And these things are going to be set out, they are going to be collecting the sacrifices, and everything is done.
See, you're running mad, ma. You're going mad. No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. I will never be your vessel. I can see coming here was a very wrong idea in the first place. I'll report you to my father. I will tell him your evil plans. My father was right after all.
Does not wrong in the day for nothing. The gods are wise. A land filled with peace, love and progress. A land where everyone lives in happiness. Here comes the bad one, the darkness, the servants of the dark.
Greetings, Adora. How are you doing today?
I am not fine. Oh no, I am afraid Mma is still in our kingdom and nothing has been done to send her back to where she came from.
I know. I have actually done my best as Dionowu. But the king is insisting that she stays. According to the king, she has not been pinned to any offense. That all the allegations against her are mere speculations. And in the face of speculation, you cannot send anyone out of the land in line with our tradition. That is the king. What can I do?
Gradually, she's gaining ground. And before you know it, she's one of us.
Are you telling me? I know. Because my own son has become her puppet, singing her praise everywhere he goes. I have told him, stop mingling with this maiden, but he will not listen to me. I am just frustrated.
Lotanna, you will not blame him. He has refused to see Mma for who she truly is. I have tried to make him see her for who she is, but it resulted to a serious fight between him and Yadiba. Onowu, be calm. For Lotanna is not in his right senses. I take my leave.
Come back, come. Look at me. You are the one we refer to as the daughter of the land. It is very clear that the kingdom where you are living has come under attack from a woman who is presumed to be a strange woman who has the intention of destroying your land. Are you going to sit back and do nothing? Forget about what the king is doing. I am the Onowu, and I am asking you, help us. Do something.
Onowu, the gods are silent. There is nothing I can do. All we need to do is to cleanse the land. Until then, there is nothing I, Adora, can do. I take my leave, Onowu.
Who is the daughter of the earth? She's telling me she cannot do anything.
She comes with lips coated with honey, but when you turn away, here comes the venom.
Great Queen Mother, the great serpent deity, I bring your favorite sacrifice to you. The people of any kingdom must bow and worship only you as their God. They must reverence you. They must acknowledge you as their only true God. Accept the sacrifice. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Who is here? Who is here? Who is here? Who is...
To what do I owe this visit?
I have come to warn you. To leave this kingdom before it's too late for you.
I have anticipated your visit for so long. But I am surprised it took this long. I learned that you are the one instigating that I leave this kingdom. Right?
Yes, Ma. I am the one. Because you can deceive me. I can see through you. Your disguise. I know who you are.
You cannot go to anywhere in my compound without my permission.
You lie. What exactly are you hiding? What activity is going on in there? Ma.
Leave my compound this minute. Leave my compound! Else I will be forced to do something you will regret. I will turn you into something you do not know. Leave!
I am not scared of you. If you think I'm scared of you, you have to have a rethink. Now listen to me. If you don't leave this kingdom, you will leave to regret it. I promise you. And before I forget, stay away from Lutana. He is not your puppet.
You are next. I promise you.
How long do you wish to cover your evil? You move with pride, wanting everyone under your feet. You don't mind to take a life.
Dance on a 4-day. The chicken are plotting against me. Where is my wine? Oh. Oh. No. Oh. I got you. Yes, the kingdom is in darkness. There is a strange spirit in our kingdom. A strange woman has entered our land. Yes. Yes. I can sense it. Oh, she's plotting evil. Yes. But Adora is the chosen one. Yes. Where is my wine? I just had it a minute ago. Oh!
Adora, what were you thinking going to Mma's house? You know Mma is not someone to be tempered with. You don't know the kind of power she waits or who backs her.
Yadiba, I don't care. Yes, if she wants a fight, let her bring it on. I will give her the fight. I am not scared of her. As long as I'm alive, I will not allow her evil intentions to come to pass in this kingdom.
Adora, don't say that. You are my friend. I don't want to lose you. You mean a lot to me.
And why are you getting emotional? No one is dying.
Adora, there is hunger in the land. We need solution fast.
Yes. Do not worry. I know what to do. I have spoken to Onowu, but he has chosen not to believe me. I don't know what Mma has done to him to make him doubt me.
Adora, we are counting on you. We need solution fast, Adora.
Don't worry. I have everything under control. I know her intentions are not pure. Her intentions are not of good. Do not worry.
Keep people in the dark.
So, very, very soon,
a time shall come. A day shall come when your evil will come to light. You have to pay for all you've done.
Only if what I say is done.
And what exactly is that thing you say?
Rituals. I will have to tell you what rituals to do and the items to bring. I have come to save the people of this kingdom because I am the only one that understands your plight. But you have to give your approval, and everyone in this kingdom has to do the same.
Do you know what they call Oshakomaka? That is you. It is over my dead body that what you say will happen. As long as I remain the Onowu of this land, the one who is saddled with the responsibility of directly advising the king, you are not going to succeed with your evil scheme.
Then you must die. What was that?
That is it. Adora. She saw it. She knew that a day like this will come when you will attempt to kill me. And she gave me this ambi that is powered, that has what it takes to ward off evil spirits and evil individuals like you.
Neither you nor Adora can stop me. I must accomplish my mission in this kingdom.
When they fail to stop, something that is mightier than them will stop them brutally. And when it happens, they may not be able to remember how they started. Get out.
She comes with lips coated with honey, but when you turn away, here comes the venom.
Lieutenant, where are you coming from?
I just left the mass, please, but she's not there.
You missed her. Because she just left here. But why are you telling me that you want to see her? The same maiden I already asked you to stop seeing?
Father, I cannot stop seeing her, Father. My mind is made up.
That maiden almost killed me here today. If not for this protective armband that Adora gave me, that I've been wearing, that woman would have killed me. Are you so blind that you cannot see her true colors or what?
Father, I am not blind. I am not blind, Father. I know what I see.
You are not blind?
Yes, Father.
No, you are blinded by her. And that is the reason you are disobeying simple instruction. I heard it. That you fought with Yadiba the other day just because of her. Don't you think that the son of an Onowu should be wiser than that?
Father, I am not a child, Father. I am not a child. I am grown, Father. I have the right to make my own decisions, Father. I mean, how am I even sure that you're not lying, Father? How am I sure that this is not a plan that you and Adora cooked up to make me live with Ma? Father, I am smart and old enough to see through your lies, Father.
How can you be looking at me and you are calling me a liar?
Not say that, Father.
Who is Ma for me to cook up anything? Just to frame her. What is wrong with you? Why are you so stupid that you cannot see? I am telling you that a maid almost killed your father and you are not bothered. Does it mean that my life means nothing to you? Why are you so stupid?
Father, you said Ma was here.
Yes, she was here to kill me.
Father, I just came in through that same entrance. And you and I know that there is only one entrance that leads in and out of this compound.
So what are you insinuating?
No, Father, if Ma was here like you claimed, how come I did not see her? Father, I will never stop seeing her. Never! You cannot stop me.
Come back here, Lieutenant.
Lieutenant, come! Love and progress. A land where everyone lives in happiness. Here comes the bad war, the darkness, the servants of the dark. And you get Anyaman on a mili, Jabanya, Anyaman on a mili, Jabanya. She comes with leaves, coated with honey. But when you turn away, here comes the venom.
The bringer of darkness, the harbinger of pain. Oh. I see. Your tongue speaks lie and deceit. Even your scale sheds deceit. Even the rivers turn to mud. And even the plants wither at your presence. Even the wind whispers violence. Even the earth trembles in fear. Oh, I see. You bring nothing but shadow. Shadow. You turn joy into sorrow. You daughter of darkness. Daughter of the serpent. You.
But when you turn away, here comes the venom.
Manya niwe. Manya niwe. Manya niwe.
You have wasted so much time, and yet no result. Does it mean you can't achieve this simple task? How can you allow her to beat you to it all the time?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mother. It is Adora. Adora is making it impossible for me to penetrate Onowu. Once I take her out of the picture, penetrating Onowu will be easier.
Remove her. And Onowu will be within your grasp.
I will, Mother. You paid me a visit. It's time to pay back.
To what do I owe this visit, Ma?
I have come to warn you for the last time. Hence, I destroy you.
Ma, I am Adora. I will not allow you achieve your evil aim in this kingdom. I am your nemesis.
What can you do? You are no match for my powers.
I serve the gods of the land. I believe in the gods of the land, Annie. Their powers I possess. There is no harm that can befall me.
Prove yourself.
I said it. I knew it. You serve the serpent deity that was abolished long time ago. I knew it. I saw through you. I knew you before you entered Annie. Now you have shown yourself.
How dare you? You have incurred the wrath of my mother. You will not go unpunished. And you must face the consequences.
You do me no harm. The Mother Earth is with me, and they shield me from every harm.
Just as my mother was wronged, I will chase you out. My mother died without fulfilling her mission. But I promised to make a home for the serpent deity in a kingdom. You all must bow and worship. You must reverence her.
Ma, you lie. I, Adora, will not allow you do that. It will be over my dead body. Will I allow you achieve your aim?
Over your dead body. Then prepare to die. Prepare to die. I will not kill you, Adora. I want you to be alive and watch my mother take over any kingdom. We must rule this kingdom because whoever we curse remains cursed, and whoever we show mercy.
Here comes the bad war, the darkness, the servants of the dawn. You get with you. Anyaman no na mini, njaba nyanya o. Anya get with you. Anyaman no na mini, njaba nyanya o. She comes.
You witch. You're a snake in the grass. You're the snake amongst us. You are hiding some secrets. Dark secrets. You daughter of darkness. Shut up! No! I will tell the truth. You have brought plague upon our land.
What is going on?
It's Mma. I think I know what she's planning.
What is it, Adora?
My mother told me many years ago, our queen was obsessed with gaining spiritual powers. And she made pact with the serpent deity, offering human sacrifice to the serpent deity. After a while, the queen could not offer human sacrifice to the serpent deity. And the people discovered the queen's secret, and they went against her. The deity became furious and turned its back on the queen. And the deity laid a curse on the kingdom.
Hey.
The people were led by a great priestess of Ani. They performed a spiritual sacrifice. They banished the queen and the serpent deity. The serpent deity became angry and turned the queen to its servant.
Does it have anything to do with Mma?
Yes. Mma is a descendant of the queen.
Hey.
And she's here for vengeance. I am scared for my people because I know the human sacrifice will commence. Who knows who will be used and who will be saved?
Adora,
What do we do?
I tried to convince Onowo to see Ma for who she truly is. But he doesn't believe me. We need Ma to leave this kingdom. Else, our people will suffer.
We are in trouble, Adora. May the goddess of this kingdom save us.
See, I wish I could reveal Ma's true identity to my people. But I know she'll be very, very careful now. I know she'll be prepared because she knows I have seen her for who she is. Oh no, there is something I need to tell you.
I am listening.
I have discovered something, but I do not have proof to it.
Adora, speak. What is it?
Mma. I think Mma has brought back the serpent deity into our kingdom.
How do you mean?
Oh no. I forced her to reveal herself to me, which wasn't easy. And I know she'll be cautious of revealing herself to me again.
Serpent deity? That is a taboo. She has to be kicked out of this kingdom. But how do we prove this to the king?
Oh no, it will be very, very difficult. But we must try. We need to perform the ritual. And our people, they need to go back to their chi. They have taken their chi for granted.
I agree.
We need Annie's guidance and protection at this time. Our people feel they are wise, but you cannot be wiser than your gods. Your chi is your okike, and you must focus on your chi and appease him. We must do the ritual, Onowo. Our land is in danger, and we must do something fast. Else, I sense danger. Onowo, have I ever told you something that I'm not sure of?
It's okay. I am going to discuss this with the elders, and we are going to find a date for the cleansing and the purging that has to follow.
Thank you, Onowo. I will await a response from you. I take my leave.
The serpent deity back in our kingdom? Our forefathers were never wrong for chasing that deity away, because it was bringing evil to this land. And whatever our forefathers banished remains banished. But how? How are we going to prove this to the king?
People keep disappearing, and we don't even know what happens to them. Something needs to be done. I feel Uma should be given a chance since she has solution, and I believe her.
But Ado has always been there for us. And she has always provided solution, even before Uma came. I believe if she's silent, there's a reason for that. Let's not lose hope in her.
Why not allowing the person fit for the job to the job? We are suffering in our land. Can't you see?
I understand your concern, Oluchi. It's just that I still stand with Adora. I believe she will come up with a solution soon.
Is it because you love Lutana and he chose Uma over you?
That's not it now. I just wish they can come together and work together to provide solution for our kingdom. But I know Adora will never do that.
She thinks she has answers. And she's very stubborn. Why can't she just set her pride aside and help our land? See, we are suffering.
Oluchi, it hasn't gotten to that. Hey, let us not lose hope. The gods will surely come to our aid.
Because we are suffering. We are suffering in this land. So where are you going to?
A land filled with peace, love and progress. A land where everyone lives in happiness. Here comes the bad war, the darkness, the servants of the dawn.
Oh, great Annie, goddess of the earth, Eze Chitoka Bioma Yakpokoge, we are all in your hands. We call and we pray. One hand washes the other. Together washes the face. Eze Chitoka Bioma Ayakpokoge. Akpongi neke, kpongi na ore, kpongi na afo, kpongi na nkwo. Biko, come to our rescue. Do not allow the evil ones to triumph over us. And do not allow the evil ones to rejoice over our pain. Your children have suffered enough. Please, arise and come to our defense. Do not allow my people to starve and die. For they have suffered enough. And enough is enough. Please, I beg you, make Lotana see the true identity of Uma. Let him see her for who she is. Do not allow us to be put to shame. And do not allow the evil to triumph over us. I beg you. Please arise. Arise to our defense. Stand up for us. Akpokonge. Binye. Binye. Come to our rescue. So I have pleaded, and so shall it be. Na fandenu nandiani. Ofo ganele. Ise yagazie.
Love and progress. A land where everyone lives in happiness. Here comes the bad war, the darkness, the servants of the dawn.
How dare he reject me? Hago, the most beautiful. My skin sparkles like pearls. My eyes shines like stars in the night. My beauty flows like the endless ocean, boundless, unmatched. Yet he dares reject me. Onyekobo! It's not even like I was going to use him for anything. I just wanted to use him as a pawn to get to Adora. I wanted to have him to help me get to Adora. What do I do? What? I cannot afford to be distracted. I am feared. I am dreaded. I am the most powerful goddess. Yet, Meyadiba rejected me. Ma, I cannot be rejected by a mere mortal. Mbano. Nwere ugegbe eji ekiri mmọnwụ. Yadiba!
Adora, you look determined.
I'm just coming from Onowu's compound, where I went to discuss the cleansing ritual.
Okay, let's sit and talk about it. Adora, what happened?
Onowu said that the Igwe is complaining because people are trooping into the palace the same way they are trooping into his compound. The Igwe is tired because he doesn't have answers to the people's demand. And the people are looking for solution. Whomever they think has the solution, the people are ready to go to the person.
That is good to know.
I have concluded with Onowu on the day of the cleansing ritual. That will be the next Afro Market Day. The ritual will take place.
That is good.
We will lead a prayer at the shrine tomorrow in preparation for the cleansing ritual. The Onowu will accompany me to the shrine.
I understand.
Ma! Ma! Ma, I have news. I have news. You know, you told me to inform you when my father and Adora decides to fix a date for the cleansing ritual.
I am listening.
They have finally fixed the date. The next Afro Market Day is the date. The Igwe, the Council of Elders, alongside my father, agreed to this plan.
I see. What is the plan for the preparation?
Tomorrow my father and Adora will be offering prayers at the shrine in preparation for the ritual.
Adora. This changes nothing.
Are you sure?
If I cannot do my rituals, you cannot perform your cleansing.
You lie. And a kingdom belongs to us. You will go back to where you came from and allow us do our thing.
I am from this kingdom too. My ancestors are rooted here. I am from the royal family. I cannot allow a mere commoner like you decide my fate.
Your ancestors sold your birthright for powers. And you're about to make the same mistake. I know what it feels like, living a life you do not wish to live. You have been forced to serve the serpent deity. But it is your choice to make. If you wish or not, the choice is all yours.
Who are you to advise me? And who even told you that I am not enjoying my life? I have powers. I am no ordinary woman. I command powers. Adora, powers that you cannot have until you die.
I, Adora, will make sure to chase you out of this kingdom. The cleansing must take place, after which you will be chased out of this kingdom. I have convinced the Onowu. Why haven't you convinced the Onowu? Is it because you're scared of his reaction? Or what?
And you expect me to answer that?
Ma, I will not allow you to use any human from this kingdom as sacrifice. Go back to your master and report to him as the servant you are.
You dare call me a servant, Adora? For all the challenges that you have brought to me, you will beg for my mercy. You must crawl and beg for my mercy.
Over my dead body, I will make sure to chase you out of this kingdom.
Let the intensity of the storm rise. Let the kingdom tremble before me. Let the sickness without a cure afflict them. Let death visit their household. Let them cry in anguish. They shall live in pain, regrets for not listening to me. Let them begin to seek for me mad. They will seek for me rivers become mud. I will not be ignored.
A land filled with peace, love and progress. A land where everyone lives in happiness. Here comes the bad war, the darkness, the servants of the dark. Anyama no na mili, njaba anyanya o. Anyage kwezi o. Anyama no na mili, njaba anyanya o. She comes with lips coated with honey, but when you turn away, here comes the venom.
My child is dead. Just yesterday, she's perfectly okay. And this morning, she's gone. What have we done? What must we do to undo for our sins? This is getting unbearable!
Adora, my bones are dying every day. Look at the evidence. They are our livelihood. How can we live if we can't feed ourselves?
Adora, we travel far to fetch water because we don't have water to fetch. And how do we survive without water?
It's still until we all die. Something needs to be done. I am doing everything in my power to make sure we all enjoy the peace we once enjoyed in our land. I have spoken to No. I have spoken to him, and I'm waiting for him to tell us what to do. The cleansing, we all must agree to it. I'm so sorry, please. We're waiting on No and the chiefs to respond back to us on what to do. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I sympathize with you. The loss of your child. I sympathize with you all. Because of us. No! The gods of our land. Oh, how long will you keep quiet? How long will you keep silent? Please listen to our plea and come to our rescue. My people are dying. Our people are dying.
Anyama no na mili, nchaba anyanya o. Anyage kwezi o. Anyama no na mili, nchaba anyanya o. Anyama no na mili, nchaba anyanya o.
I have been waiting for you.
It's no problem. It seems you've been standing here for a while.
No, not at all. There is no problem. Just that I saw you entered Adora's hut, and I followed you. I overheard your conversation with her. I must say that I share in your sentiment. You know, Mma is the only one that has the key to the problems in our kingdom. But it's quite unfortunate no one is, no one is paying attention to her.
Go on.
I wonder what they are talking about. Hope they have not fallen for Umma's scheme.
You know, I am very glad you think the way you do. And I'm sure that Umma is also glad. And that is why she wants to meet with you.
Is that so? I would like to meet her and tell her face to face that I'm in support of her if she's given the opportunity to bring this kingdom back to its former glory.
This is good.
Love
Let's
and
go.
progress, a land where everyone lives in happiness. Here comes the bad war, the darkness, the servants of the dark. Anyaman no na mili, njaba nyanyao. Anyaman no na mili, njaba.
What is happening? Yadiba, our people are suffering. I am at loss. Their pleas are falling on deaf ear. I feel for my people. I am beginning to doubt myself. I am beginning to doubt myself. I feel I am failing the people. I am failing this kingdom. I can't wait for the cleansing ritual to happen so the land can go back to its former glory. The rivers can flow and the land fertile.
They say the truth does not run in the day for nothing. The gods are wise. A land filled with peace, love and progress. A land where everyone lives in happiness. Here comes the bad war, the darkness, the servants of the dark. Anyaman no na mili, njaba nyanyao. Anyaman no na mili, njaba nyanyao. She comes with lips coated with honey, but when you turn away, here comes the venom.
Here she is.
Great Queen Mother, your sacrifice is here. Your food is ready.
Food?
She will be sacrificed now. The blood of a maiden from our kingdom. Just as you like it.
What is happening here? What are you talking about? I came here to tell you that I like you and I choose you over Adora. What food is she talking about? Lotana, please, answer me. Please. Lotana, answer me.
Let's see how your support and love can help the Queen Mother.
No!
Maybe your blood will taste better.
No! Stop! Please! Please! Please don't kill me! I like you and I choose you over Adora. Please don't kill me, please, please, please. Lotana, please, Lotana, please say something.
Shut up!
Oh! What's that? Please, please, please.
for the sacrifice.
A land where everyone lives in happiness. Here comes the battle war, the darkness.
Great deity!
Relax. Yadiba, Dajo, Buto. I know the cleansing ritual did not take place today, but that doesn't mean it won't take place another day. Please,
Adora.
Buto.
Adora, you would have allowed me to deal with him. I would have given him the beating of his life.
Yadiba, fight wouldn't bring solution to this. It won't change anything. Please calm down.
I would have left scars all over his body. Injuries everywhere. Lotana! Adora, there's something I want to tell you that I have not told anyone before.
Go on.
Adora, some days ago, I saw Lotana and Oluchi going to Mma's hut. And since then, I've not seen Oluchi again. Oh, I'm thinking something. I think Mma has a hand in the missing maidens. But for Lotana, I don't know. But Mma, she has a hand in the missing maidens. That is what I think. Oh.
Are you sure about this?
I'm sure.
Because this is serious. Then, Onowu must hear this before another ear hears it.
Let's go and tell Onowu. He knows what to do.
I will speak to Onowu immediately.
Lotana! You would have allowed me to deal with Lotana. I would have beaten him. You would have allowed me to finish that.
Relax.
I would have dealt with him.
Relax.
Beating him.
Lieutenant, in one very short sentence, where are you coming from?
Mass place.
The same woman that I warned you to stop going to see? What exactly is wrong with you? Tell me. What is with this Imma that is driving you towards your destruction? What is that?
Father, I do not know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about?
Yes, Father.
And I know you know. Only today, you scattered all the items I organized for sacrifice. I know. You did that because Umma pushed you to do that. That was Umma's doing. And now, you have gone to Umma's hut with Olushi. Can you explain?
What exactly are you saying?
What I am saying is that you went to Umma's hut with Olushi, true or false?
I did, Father. Yes, I did. I went to Mass hut with Oluchi. So what, Father?
What exactly did you go to do? And where is Olushi as we speak?
Why are you asking me all these questions, Father? I mean, what is my business? What am I did to Oluchi? How is that my concern, Father?
How am I going to start defending you? Now it is known everywhere that my own son is an accomplice, associating with a maiden that is evil. How am I going to defend you?
Father, there is no need for all of this. Oluchi is gone. You will never see her again. Don't you dare, Father. Don't you dare! You did it once! And that is your last.
The next time you raise your hands on me again, I'll push you to your grave. Dear Father. You dare lock me out, Father? You lock me out! Let You think I don't know what you have been doing? Don't you? You think you can cover your tracks?
What is this madman talking about?
Lotana, where is Oluchi?
What is going on? Listen, Yadiba. Leave my way. Now.
Don't play dumb with me! Don't play dumb with me. I know you are working with a man. I know. What have you been doing with the maidens? The missing maidens. What have you been doing with them?
So you are the fool who has been feeding my father all those lies. Huh? You are the fool! Fine. Where's your proof? Where are your proofs?
I may not have proof, but I know you are behind it. I know. But let me tell you, Kama has a way of dealing with people like you.
You are mad, Yadiba. You are really mad. Come back and say that nonsense to my face. Let me show you what real anger looks like. Idiot. Looking for someone to vent my anger on. Yadiba! Yadiba! We shall see, idiot. Golibe. How have you been?
I've been fine. It's just that I've been trying to cope after the disappearance of my best friend, Oluchi. Her disappearance was mysterious. And no one knows if she's dead or alive. I've been looking for someone to talk to and you came to mind.
I'm sorry, Golibe. I'm sorry for your loss. But I cannot be the one you turn to right now. You need to go back to your hut. Now.
But Lutana, I need you right now.
Golibe, no. You cannot need me. Find someone else. Someone who will be there for you. I have my own priorities now. Please, Golibe. Have some pride as a lady.
Lotana! Why is he doing this to me? Lotana! Why is he doing this to me?
They say the truth does not run in the day for nothing. The gods are wise.
Lotana!
A land filled with peace, love and progress. A land where everyone lives in happiness. Here comes the bad war, the darkness, the servants of the dark.
I did not see anyone. It's as if the whole maidens deserted the road.
Is that so?
Yes, ma. No. What are you doing here? How did you get here? Oh, please. Please.
I thought you said there was no one on the road path. In your words, they have all deserted.
Please, I'm sorry. Please, please, do not hurt her. Please, I beg you. Please.
Don't hurt her. I see you like her. Don't you?
Please, I beg you. I beg you, do not kill her. She's the only maiden who has truly loved me, even though I did not love her back. Please.
Shut up! You do not have the right to tell me what to do. You are my servants. I choose to do with you whatever I wish.
The gods are wise. A land filled with peace, love and progress. A land where everyone
Mortals!
Here comes the battle, the darkness, the servants of the dawn.
Nkwo kọtara anyị ọma ndị mmiri mụ ndị chim.
Please, please come with me. Adora, please, you have to come with me now. Please. Please. Adora, please, please. You need to come with me now, please.
Lotanna, what is it? And who is after you?
Adora, you need to come now. You need to come now. Something bad is about to happen. Please, you need to come, please.
To where?
Thomas' house. Thomas' house, Adora. Please, you need to come. Ma is about to do something bad to Gulibe. Adora, please, I beg you, please, you need to come. Please.
I do not understand what you mean by that. What exactly do you mean?
Adora, we do not have time for all these questions, please. If you do not come now, something bad will happen. Please, I beg you. You need to come. If I know I might not be your favorite person. For Gulibe's sake, please. You need to come, please. You are the only one who can stop Ma. Please. Adora, please, I beg you, please. We need to hurry.
Let's go.
No, please, come. Let's hurry. Please, let's hurry. Let's hurry.
Easy.
Let's hurry, please, please.
So this is where you hide and commit your atrocities.
Gulibe, please get up. Gulibe, please don't go. Get up.
Lotanna! So brought Adora to my shrine. To do what exactly? Do you think that she can stop me? Well, it is too late.
Ma! So this is where you've been committing your atrocity. How dare you, Ma? How dare you spill the blood of an innocent maiden of this kingdom? So all the maidens' disappearance in this kingdom has been your doing. Oh, no wonder. No wonder. No No wonder your heart reeks of blood. Because how dare you?
What is your proof?
Ma, where is she? Ma, where did you take her body to? You monstrous devil!
This atrocity will not go unpunished. Where is she? Where are you? You priestess of doom! Show yourself! Show yourself! Lutana, you are home now. If you need anything, do not hesitate to send for me. I will take my leave. Onowu, I can see Onowu is not home. Would you want me to stay back and wait for him to get back?
No. I am okay. You can go now.
Are you sure?
You can go.
Okay. Please, if you need anything, do not hesitate to send for me. I'll be on my way. Ma needs to be stopped. She has killed Golibe, an innocent maiden of this kingdom. Something has to be done. She is polluting our land with her evil deeds. Or maybe go Boda. Or maybe go Boda.
Adora Butuo, calm down. You are enraged. Very soon, you will get a solution. The gods are with you.
Ma, I might not be lucky enough to catch you next time, but I make you a promise. Adora, I will make sure you pay for every blood you have spilled on this land. You will pay with your dear life. I promise you.
Adora Butuo, very soon, we will catch her. We will do everything possible to catch her. Calm down.
She must pay. She must pay for this. She must pay for torturing my people. She must pay for spilling the blood of the innocent.
Lutana, I want you to go to Adora's compound. I want you to make her believe you're on the same page with her. You must retrieve that white waist bead on her waist and bring it to me.
Why? Why do you want me to bring Adora's waist bead to you? And why do you think I want to do that for you?
I own you. And you must do as I say. Just retrieve that bead and bring it to me.
What does Adora's waist bead have to do with all of this? Do not tell me you want to hurt her, do you?
I owe you no explanations. You must do as I say.
I will, Ma. Oh, please. I am still mourning.
You must go now. Time is of essence to me. Go now!
Don't do that again. I will mess you.
Mess?
That was smell. I will mess.
Are you messling?
Put your nose. It's not smelling too much.
No. I cannot take this. Stop doing that. It's smelling too much.
It's not smelling anything.
Greetings, Yadiba. Greetings, Adora.
Lotana, have you come here to insult me again?
No, not at all. Far from that, Yadiba. I have come to apologize to you too. To say sorry for not listening to you when you warned me about Ma. But now I am glad that I have seen her for who she truly is. She's evil. Please, forgive me. Forgive me for all my actions and my words, please.
Lutana, are you sure you are the person speaking through yourself? Or someone else is talking? Anyway, if you're the person speaking, I hold nothing against you. Your father, Mazi Okonkwo, is more like a father to me. And his son, like a brother. I hold no grudge against you. Though it took you so long to see Mma for who she is. But may the gods be praised that finally you saw her for who she is.
Lotana, I hold no grudge against you also. I knew you were in love. And a man that is in love can do anything and can say anything he never meant. So it's okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Yadiba. Thank you, Adora. Thank you very much. So we can be friends.
Of course, we're family, not just friends.
Lotana, come and sit with us. Come sit with us.
I will sit. Some other time. I have an errand to run. Please, I beg to take my leave now.
Okay.
Do not worry, Lutana. I will speak to you later.
I have sense. If you advise them, they will not listen. Now, you are saying it.
You will do it.
I will do it.
You will do it. Thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
You are welcome. Okay, just take care. Adora, take good care of yourself.
Of course I will. Do not worry. Yes. Next time you visit, Abacha.
Abacha! You are good at that.
Yes.
You're good. Okay, let me go. I will see you next time.
Okay.
Take care.
Take good care of yourself.
Okay.
Ijoma. Ajani. Ekenem. Ajani. Ekenem na-akpọku n'oku. Ka ọfọ na-ele. Ndị agwụmụ, ndị chimụ, ndị mmiri, akpọku unu. Ọfọ ga na-ele. Ọfọ ga na-ele. Ise. Ọ bịara igbu m ga-egbu onwe ya. Ka ọfọ ga na-ele. Ọfọ ga na-ele.
Lieutenant.
What are you doing here?
I just wanted to stay close to you while you sleep. Is there a crime in that?
There is no crime. I thought you already left.
Yes, yes. I did. I just remember that I forgot something, so I came back to look for it.
Hey. What did you forget? And did you find it?
No, yes, no, my rope, the rope that I used to climb the palm tree. I thought I left it here, but it's obvious I did not come with it.
Oh, okay. So you didn't say it?
Yes, I did not see. I have to go back to my hall to look for it. Bye.
What is wrong with you?
She comes with lips coated with honey, but when you turn away, here comes the venom.
I am sorry, Ma. I could not steal the bead.
What do you mean you couldn't?
I tried. I mean, I tried to take the bead. Boy, it was as if there was fire on the bead. It burnt my hand.
Shut up! You are useless. Simple task. Just this simple task that I asked you to execute. You couldn't. You are here telling me useless stories about your hand being burnt. Are you not a man? Couldn't you just endure a small burn? You are here talking nonsense.
Mama, you don't understand what
Shut up! Leave this place before I set you ablaze. Get out!
She comes with lips coated with honey.
Mother, please just give me one more chance and I will do this. No mistakes, Mother. Mother, please, just give me one more chance. Please, Mother, please. Mother!
Shut up! How dare you get into my compound? You turned my son to an accomplice. You almost killed me, and here you are telling me that you are on my side and on the side of my people. I need you to get out of this compound now. Leave, because I will never take whatever thing you are offering. Even if you are the only person with a solution, I do not need your solution because you are a menace. Now that you still have your two legs intact, use them before I condemn the legs. I may not have spiritual weapons, but I have physical weapons. Unless you are immune to gunshots, I will advise you, in your overall interest, get out of this place. Get out!
You will look for me.
Never. I rather die than look for you. Get out! Look at that! Boiling? Are you boiling for who? You can as well burn! Daughter of a cow.
Where everyone lives in happiness. Here comes the battle.
Dora, from the moment I saw you, I felt this connection with you. And I've seen you to be more than a friend to me. I want more, Dora. I want to tell you that I would like to marry you.
Yes.
Yes?
I will marry you.
You will marry me.
Here comes the venom.
Yadeba, may your eyes go blind. May you never see the face of your beloved Adora again. May you stumble into darkness and never find your way.
can't see. I can't see.
What are you saying?
Adora, help me. I can't see.
Wait. Yadiba.
I can't see.
Look at me.
I can't see you.
Look at me.
I can't see you.
Can't you see me?
No.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
I can't see you.
Look at me.
Please help me.
She comes with lips coated with honey, but when you turn away,
Where is she?
comes the venom.
You wicked witch! Show yourself! You priestess of doom! Show yourself! How dare you? How dare you? How dare you inflict pain on Yadiba? Oh, you think I don't know that it's you that caused his blindness? You think I don't know? How dare you? I command you to go and undo what you have done to him. Do not allow me to unleash my powers on you. Do not allow me to unleash my powers on you.
How dare you enter my compound to accuse me falsely? You claim that you can save the people of our kingdom. So what is a mere blindness that you cannot undo? What do you need me for? This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning.
Where are you? You daughter of demon! Show yourself! I will tell you, I am the daughter of the gods! I will tell you, I am the daughter of the gods! Àwọn àdìkẹ́! Àwọn àdìkẹ́! Lotanna. Lotanna. What are you doing here? Please stand up. Lotanna! 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 Ma, this is your handwork. Ma, you did this! Lotanna, please wake up. Please, I beg you. Lotanna, please wake up. Wake up, please. Lotanna, don't do this to me. Hello, abomination. Lotanna, please. Wake up. Lotanna, because you had me crying again. Open your eyes, Lotanna.
Here comes the venom. Obrabago sobo, obro no nimba kwao. Ife diebu neme o, manemesio, mage melinjo, chijileji gefo kwao. Ifongo gabia kwao, anyage kwazio. Anyaman no na mili, nchaba anyanya o, anyage kwazio.
Yadiba,
Adora.
I'm so sorry you're going through this pain. I know Uma inflicted this blindness on you only to get at me. Now she has killed Lotana. I'm so sorry I involved you in all this.
Adora, I know you did not do it. You and I are getting married soon. And whoever comes for you, also come for me too. So, we are together, Adora.
I went to Noah's compound to console him. But he chased me out, accusing me of killing his son. I know he's pained. I know his son's body was found in my compound. But I'm innocent. How could he even think I would take a life? I would do a thing like that.
Adora, I do not believe them. I know you did not do it. You are not capable of such evil.
Yadiba,
Adora.
thank you so much for believing in me. If it's only you who believes in me, that is enough for me. Thank you.
Adora, you don't need to thank me. How do we get Ma and send her out of this kingdom? She has gone too far.
Do not worry. Her time is near. Very soon, I will expose her to the people of this kingdom. I will make sure they see her for who she is. For I know my hands are clean. And one whose hands are clean, no evil can befall them. So no evil can befall me. I'm with my chi, and my chi is with me.
Yes, Adora. Yes, Adora.
Yadiba, do not worry. I will find her. And once I do, that will be her end.
Yes, Adora.
It's your meat.
Yes.
This way.
Thank you.
Soon, Onowu will have no choice than to stick with me. because he believes that Adora ended the life of his son. And soon she will be banished. She will be banished from this kingdom. No one jokes with Ma and goes scot-free. No one jokes with my mother, the serpent deity. More come more. Soon we shall take over. We will take over the kingdom. We shall rule. They will all bow and worship the serpent deity. We will rise. We will rise to power. And no one will stand. No one will stand in our way. No one will stand in our way. No one. We will rule.
Oh! Stand up. Oh! Stand up. Come this way. Come this way.
Thank you.
Where are you going in your condition? You should be at home resting.
I'm going to the village boundary. Adora is being chased out. I want to get there. I want to get to the village boundary.
So you are going to support her? After what she has done, she's accused of killing a Lontana.
She did not do it. Adora did not do it. I know Adora so well. And we are getting married. I can't allow her to go through it alone. I cannot allow her.
Oh, alright. I'm going to help you. But it's going to be tough.
Thank you. Let's get to the village square. You need to be careful. Because the crowd will not be nice.
Don't worry about me. I'm alright. Okay. Let's go. Come this way. Okay. This way.
Please help me.
I will help you. Hey. Go. This way.
Here comes the bad war, the darkness, the servants of the dark. She comes with leaves. Good day.
Cause of our land, your daughter is about to be cast out from her land, her heritage, by an outsider whose intention is not pure, who has a malicious intention. Our ancestors, I know we have stayed away from our ancestors and we have turned our back against our deity. Please, temper justice with mercy and come to our aid. As the people have gathered to shame your daughter, let that shame be mass shame. Let me be able to prove to my people and reveal her true colors to the people of this land. The banishment meant for me will be ours, and everything And all the shame meant for me will be hers. I plead with you, my G. Our ancestors. Please, please. Our ancestors. Come to my aid. This I plead.
But when you turn away, here comes the venom.
I'm asking you people, where is he?
I came to see things for myself. Rebecca, no!
I am here. Ma, you will return to where you came from. You do not have any business in this kingdom. Yadiba, what are you doing here?
Adora, I came to support you. I do not want you to feel this alone. I know you did not do it.
No. You are supposed to be home. You know your condition.
Look at him. Neniano. A blind man supporting his murderer woman.
My people, the great people of Ani, I am so sorry for the misunderstanding. I know I have been labeled with accusations. I did not kill Lotana. I have the best interest of this kingdom at heart. For everything that has happened is this woman's doing. She made Yadiba blind. She caused all the hardship our people have faced. She is the cause of everything. And today, I will reveal her identity for you all to see that she is the great servant of the great serpent deity that has been banished from our land years ago. Ofo Ganele. Hey! You can see it.
Hey! Laws of our land.
Hey!
Vanisha! 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 Vanisha!
You have succeeded in chasing us out of any kingdom.
You think this is judgment? You killed Lotana and so many innocent people of Ani kingdom. You made Yadiba blind, and you think you will run to another kingdom to frustrate them. How can you kill Lutana and go scot-free? You won't kill Lutana and leave. Banishment is their judgment. But my judgment is death. I did not want to do it in any kingdom because I do not want to spill your stained blood, your cursed blood in our land.
You think you have the powers to take my life?
Ndị chi mụ, ndị agwụ mụ, ndị mmiri mụ, Ajani, agbọkọm gị, n'eke, n'orie, n'afọ, na nkwọ.
Mage melinjo, chijileji gefugo, ifongo gabiago, anyage kwezio. Anyama no na mili, nchaba anyanyao, anyage kwezio. Anyama no na mili, nchaba anyanyao.
Adora! Adora! Adora!
Yadiba.
Adora!
Yes.
Adora!
Yes.
Where did you go to after Mama was banished?
Yadiba.
Adora!
I had something to take care of. I'm so sorry I left you all by yourself. But I'm happy. You are safe.
Adora, you don't need to apologize. I'm glad you are safe.
I am so happy. Finally, our kingdom's former glory has returned. The stream now flows, and the land is fertile again.
Adora.
Yes.
My only wish now is to regain my sight so I can see your beautiful face again. I can see! I can see!
Wait.
I can see!
Can you see me?
I can see you now!
You can see me?
I can see you everywhere! Adora, thank you! And me! Thank you! I can see! I can see! Great Annie, thank you! Thank you!
Adora, I actually called you here to say I am sorry over the role I played. I called you to apologize for making effort to punish you for a crime you did not commit. I am sorry.
Oh no, you do not have to be sorry. I feel your pain. Anyone in your position will feel the same. No one will witness the death of his son and not react the way you did. So I totally understand. It's okay.
It is actually now that I remember everything. That day, I went to her hut to confront her. I remember everything that happened. I was determined to go and report to the king. Then I forgot everything. It was Umma's doing. She was the one responsible for that.
I knew. I knew she was not pure. I knew her intention for our land was not clean. I knew she was going to harm you. That was why I gave you the bead to protect you. I'm so sad I did not give Lotanna the same bead. Else he wouldn't have died. I regret it.
But I can tell you that had it been you gave this something to Lutanna, he would not have used it. Because he was so consumed into her world. I can only pray. Lutanna, my son, let him continue to rest with the gods and the ancestors of this land.
Let's just thank the gods for his mercies upon us.
The kingdom has been purged. Our people have gone back to their roots, which they abandoned all this while. All the sacrifices that we have not done for years, we have done them again. We are fine as a people again. That I can assure you.
Like they say, oh no, one who forgets their root will wither like a tree without water.
And their branches will be scattered by the wind.
Coated with honey, but when you turn away, here comes the venom.
Yeah. Renu. Yeah. Wano.
Yeah.
Where's Wano? Today is a happy day in our kingdom. Yes. Today is a great day in our kingdom. Today we are celebrating our reunion with the divine. We have suffered in this kingdom for some time. But today, our land has been cleansed and purged of all evil. And we will stay in the path of righteousness because that is the only way to be in harmony with our chi. For somebody that is not in harmony with his chi is wandering around aimlessly. And that person will be following the path of destruction, which we have followed in this kingdom. We lost a lot of our people, including Lutanna, the son of Onowu. That is why Onowu is not here with us today. He's still mourning his son. I want to make this very clear. It's good to give honor to whom honor is due. Yes. We would not be celebrating today if not for Adora. Adora showed great, brave mind. Yes. Adora proved to be a lioness to save this kingdom. With the guidance of the gods, she was able to fight and set this kingdom free. Hey! Adora, Imereka forget it. Adora Mma. The Ada that loves his people is a great deal. This kingdom has been without an Ezemo or a priestess for too long. But today, we are moving forward. Adora will be the priestess of this kingdom. Finally. She will be the intermediary between the gods and the people. Adora Mma. Dalo, thank you.
Igwe! May your reign be forever. Our people, I greet you all. For this opportunity, I am honored
to be the priestess of any kingdom. I thank you all for this great opportunity. Your Majesty, I promise to serve our people in truth and in just. And I will speak only but the truth to our people, and I will not mislead our people in any way. I will serve the gods, ndị ani, ndị chimu, ndị agwomo, ndị mirimu. So shall it be. Ofo Ganele Yagase.
How long do you wish to cover your evil? You move with pride, wanting everyone under your feet. You don't mind to take a life, all because of power. It doesn't matter how long your evil will last. It doesn't matter how long you keep people in the dark. A time shall come, a day shall come, when your evil will come to light. You have to